So, in the last video, I discussed lexicalized signs, which are gestures that have become iconic and are now seen as recognized signs in Auslan. But lexicalized signs aren't the only way to communicate. You can use visual communication to convey things that might be difficult to show with lexicalized signs, such as images or stories. So our major part of visual communication is depicting signs, and these are non-lexicalized signs, but they show in a different way an image and can convey it in a different manner. So depicting signs consist of three different components. So there's sass, handling, and entity. So we'll start with sass, and that stands for size and shape specifier. So it's the use of hands to outline an object's shape and size. So for example, I can show a small box with small actions, or I can show a big box with big exaggerated actions. So the second type is handling. So that's the use of hands to interact with an object. So for example, I can first of all use sass to outline a door, and then use handling to fumble through some keys to open the door. So sass and handling go hand in hand to demonstrate things. And then finally there's entity, which is the grouping of objects together to a common sign. So for example, I can have a finger represent a person, or two fingers, two people walking along, or a person walking down some stairs, or a car driving through the woods. So you can use all three of these things, sass, handling, and entity, together to make a story, tell a story. So for example, I can be a fat man, walks over to his car, drives and gets out to go home. But